Hi friends, good morning. Please look at the next problem in time and work. Friends, problem is given in the description box. See friends, Rajani can do 25% less work than Mohan, and Mohan can do 20% more work than Rizwana. See friends, now our question is what is the share of Mohan out of a total profit of 930 rupees? Friends, say Rizwana can do 100 units of work per day. That is her efficiency. Mohan is 20% more efficient than Rizwana. So Mohan can do 120 units of work per day. Friends, Rajani is 25% less than Mohan. Friends, 25% of 120 means 30 units. So Rajani can do 120 minus 30, 90 units of work per day. Friends, these are their efficiencies. So the efficiency ratio is 90 is to 120 is to 100. Friends, now let us divide the total profit of rupees 930 in the ratio of 90 is to 120 is to 100 to get the share of Mohan. 930 over 90 plus 120, 210 plus 100, 310 into we want Mohan share into 120. Friends, 333 is 120 is 360. Friends, this is the share of Mohan friends. Thank you.